In this video, I'm sorry to say, you're going to see the Xiaomi FIMI X8 SE fall out of the sky for an unknown reason. It could have been a bird strike, it could have been equipment failure, like a prop failing or a motor failing. I don't know. And of course, what follows is the search and rescue of the FIMI X8 SE. As usual, if you like this video, give it a like by pressing the thumbs up button. And if you want to support the channel, hit that subscribe button.
Holy crap!
Alright, so let's get into this video.
Search and rescue for my drone. The coordinate says that it's over there. Huh! Found it, stupid thing. Look at that. Wow. GPS coordinates work, guys. How did you end up here, buddy? Huh? How'd you fall out of the sky?
Alright guys, so here I'm going through the steps of setting up, right? Putting the case down, taking the FIMI and the controller out of the case, and then I'm going to show you that I'm going to use the ND4 filter to film at sunset. And I'm going to go through all the steps required to get the FIMI set up with the ND4 filter, right? And it was supposed to be a really nice tutorial about the sunset and using ND4. And here we go through the usual Pyron diagnostics, right? And then show you that I'm going to use parabolic dishes. And here's the flight, right? So we're going to get the FIMI up in the air, and this is the Osmo Pocket filming. And I'm trying to track it, but I didn't do a very good job, but good enough, right? To give you the feel that, you know, we're up in the air. And then we're going to take the FIMI and fly parallel looking at the sunset, and for no apparent reason it just crashes. Take a look. Just tumbles right out of the sky like a prop broke or a motor locked up. Don't know, but mayday, mayday, going down, mayday, boom, down and out it is. So now it's time to scramble, get out of here and get down there and see if I can find it.
Alright, doing this S.A.R, search and rescue for my drone. The coordinate says that it's over there, but as you can see, it's going to be hard to spot because it's not like an open field, so it's a good and bad thing.
Yeah, I was here last night looking for it. I was unable to find it. So here I am early in the morning at sunrise looking for the drone.
Let's see if we can get to it.
Huh! Found it, stupid thing. Look at that.
Wow. GPS coordinates work, guys. Found it. No battery in it, huh? I wonder where it went. Well, that's probably a good thing. Broken arm. Two broken arms. So it's a pretty much good wreck. Look at that, guys. Dang. How did you end up here, buddy? Huh? How'd you fall out of the sky? Look at that! There's the battery! Wow. So guys, GPS coordinates work, man. Cut this thing back. We'll fall in that water here if I don't watch it. Alright. Set this down right here. Let's see if I can get to the battery. Battery number one. And there's the other half. Dang. So, missing a motor with a white motor with a white prop. Ow, 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 ow. This thing's hurt. Man, the battery was there. Well, this leads me to believe that it's up here somewhere. Alright. I'm not sure if I can walk up there. It's so slippery. And these vines right here will eat you up, man. They got these spikes right here. Look at the size of those things. Holy crap. Whole lot of pain in that bush right there. Alright. Let's spin around without falling here. Okay. thinking. Amazing. I mean, I found it in pieces, but still amazing. White. Little white piece. Okay. See if I can get my butt out of here without going in the water. I think I'm in the clear now. Okay, and here's my buddy. It's broken up. Mr. FIMI, what happened, buddy? What'd you hit? You're a mess. Complete mess. Need 4 arms? No, 3 arms. I don't know if I trust the 4th one. Total wreck. Alright, see if we can get down without breaking an ankle. Wow. Dude. One lucky dude. Poor dude. Well, good time to go take this thing apart. Order some parts, put it back together, I suppose. The journey, and see if it comes back to life. Now let me get back up this hill. No wonder I couldn't find you last night. The battery came out. Maybe we can find the motor. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to find it. I was hoping to get down here and look, but man, this is steep. You go down there, guaranteed pain. Guaranteed pain. One motor. Set of prop probably all broken up. Nah, not worth it. Not at all.